Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to Crypto 101, unveiling the secrets of cryptocurrency. In this series, we'll dive deep into the world of digital currencies, exploring how they work, their benefits, and the technology behind them. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started on this exciting journey. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of blockchain, mining, and trading. Get ready to become a crypto expert. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies. So buckle up and join us as we navigate the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. There's so much to learn and discover, and we're thrilled to have you with us. Let's dive in. Did you know that the first cryptocurrency was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto? Mind-blowing, right? This revolutionary digital currency, known as Bitcoin, marked the beginning of a new era in finance. Satoshi Nakamoto's identity remains a mystery to this day, adding an element of intrigue to the story. Bitcoin's creation was a response to the financial crisis of 2008, aiming to offer a decentralized and transparent alternative to traditional banking systems. Fascinating, isn't it? Over the years, Bitcoin has grown in popularity and value, becoming a household name and sparking the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Welcome to today's video, where we are going to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency. It's no secret that cryptocurrency has been gaining massive popularity in the digital world. But do you really know how it works? In this chapter, we'll break down the basics of cryptocurrency, explore its underlying technology, and discuss why it's becoming such a significant part of our financial landscape. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of this digital phenomenon and help you understand the essentials of cryptocurrency. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of what makes cryptocurrency so revolutionary. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room, the complex nature of how cryptocurrency transactions actually work. A cryptocurrency transaction involves a sender, a receiver, and a network of computers that validate and record the transaction on a public ledger known as the blockchain. Cryptographic algorithms and consensus mechanisms ensure each transaction is secure and verifiable, promoting transparency and reducing the risk of fraud. This intricate process, though complex, is what makes cryptocurrency a revolutionary and secure method of digital exchange. As more people and businesses adopt cryptocurrency, understanding these transactions becomes crucial for navigating the digital economy. So, while it may seem daunting at first, the underlying principles of cryptocurrency transactions are designed to be both secure and transparent, paving the way for a new era of digital finance. To understand how cryptocurrency actually works, we need to delve into the core technologies that make it possible. Blockchain is a digital ledger recording all transactions securely and transparently. Each transaction is added to a block, forming a chain. Encryption converts data into a code to prevent unauthorized access, ensuring sensitive information remains secure. Together, blockchain and encryption create a secure, transparent, and decentralized framework for cryptocurrency transactions. This combination is what underpins the trust and reliability of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem, making it revolutionary. Now here comes the key moment, the main benefit of cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized system, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority or government. With cryptocurrency, you can make secure and anonymous transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. This decentralization ensures that your transactions are not only secure, but also transparent and immutable, thanks to blockchain technology. Additionally, cryptocurrencies offer lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking systems, making them an attractive option for international transfers and everyday use. To sum it up, cryptocurrency is not just a digital trend, it's a revolutionary technology that is reshaping the financial industry. Its decentralized nature and secure transactions are changing the game for the better. As we move forward, it's crucial to stay informed and understand the potential and risks associated with this evolving landscape. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, cryptocurrency offers a glimpse into the future of finance. Embrace the change, stay ahead of the curve, and be part of this financial revolution. If you found this video informative and eye-opening, make sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on cryptocurrency and technology. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. We have a lot more to share about the world of cryptocurrency, so don't miss out. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Thank you for watching and being part of our community.